Here we go again with our 300 Euro Caddy. Today we're gonna be trying to fix the headlight. As you can see, this headlight is a little bit darker inside. It has damage on the mirror. Yeah, right. And compare it to this one. As you can see, it's much better shape. Has the bumper painted since you last seen. Grills installed. Fender also has been painted, and it's doing its job. It's working hard. And yeah, also the car has the roof rack installed. Some kind of a no-name shit. Doesn't quite fit, but it's doing the job. So yeah, let's now see how it looks when it's lit on. As you can see clearly, one of the headlights much brighter. This one's a tad yellowish. This one's much better shape. Yeah. So we're gonna try to fix this. So the headlight is already out. It's held in by 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. And you just have to also remove this grill, which is held in here on the inside. So I just unbolted one, and that's it. I already have here another mirror, and we're gonna be swapping it. Now you can see the shape of the mirror. It's really bad, so I think it's gonna be a vast improvement. And the glass just sits on clips like these and pops right off. It's not glued in or anything. There's some kind of glue here, some kind of silicone, but I don't think this is stock. So at this point I know that it's a fail. I cannot just swap out the mirrors. The pickup points are differently, as you can see here. These are aligned on the top here. And here you can see that the mounts are lower, so the whole mirror will gonna sit in different position. I was aware that the center is different, but you know, I could make something work with here, you know, fabricate something and make this piece work, but I cannot make this work. Yeah, so unfortunately that's a no-go. I examined the wire harness, and as you can see, all those are really bad shape, so I will replace them. There was also a mark on the bulb which led me to it. As you can see here, one of the pins definitely had some action here. Yeah. After fixing the connections, you can see that the headlights light up pretty evenly. There's no need to change the mirror. That was just electrical fault. So now I can see something again.